Order fill.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, September 25th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. 555, wide state, oscillator agreement. Impulse, correct, impulse. We're expecting it to revisit that $1 area. We'll see if it goes past it. We want to see speed and violence. If we don't see that, we'll just pull our profits right around $1, if not a little bit better than $1.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
Order fill.
There's about a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.